Mic check, 1 2 1 2, mic check, 2-stroke J. So what I got going on right now is I just switched over my setup from my street helmet, which is this one, to my new like off-road dirt bike helmet, which is this one. I also got a new mic because my old mic, every time I would raise my voice like in my helmet, it would just get super distorted and the audio was just shitty whenever I did that. And it was super annoying because I couldn't like talk to anyone next to me without the mic just completely messing up. This thing's slow. This thing is slow. Yeah, I know. Yeah, right now I got a new mic. It's a Purple Panda, and it was like $20 on Amazon. And it came with all the adapters you need. It came with like an extension cord. It came with a wind sock type thing to block the wind. And that was one of my biggest pet peeves about the other one, my old mic, is that you had to make your own like wind sock. And that shit's so annoying. Like, I'm not very crafty, and my other wind sock that I made was just ass. And the one that comes with this is super nice, and I'm hoping it works well. The thing that's crazy is, in this dirt helmet, I can just feel there's so much more wind flowing through it, so I wonder if that's going to affect it. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to do like a little review on this mic, because it's a really good deal if you think about it. Like, it comes with all the shit you need to start like recording with the GoPro, which no other mic I've seen does. And it's like the same price as all the other mics. Right now I'm just riding around testing the audio to see how it works, because I haven't really heard it yet. As long as I can yell and it still records me, that's all I care about. Holy crap. I feel like my helmet's about to fall off. It's the next day. I'm at the lot right now, about to get some practice in on my wheelies, if you know what I'm saying. But I just figured I would record like a little clip of what my setup actually looks like right now, with the new mic and new helmet and all that, just so you have an idea. So this is the helmet right now. What I did was I took the GoPro, and it stuck too far down when I had like a normal mount on it, so I just took like the actual thing the GoPro attaches to and put some 3M tape on that, so it's like a lot more slim and it doesn't stick as far down. And then basically all the adapters that came with the Purple Panda, they all work really well, but I just put them all and taped them under the freaking brim boy, whatever it's called. Just taped them all up there, and then it routes in. And it comes with an extension cord for the mic, but like the cord that's already attached to the mic is plenty big. Like, it's perfect for the helmet. The extension is like way too big. So it goes from right there, routes around, then I had to like wrap it behind the padding a couple times, and then the mic pops out right out of the cheek pad right there. And there's the nice little fluffy boy. You gotta think, like, this helmet, where this mic is coming out right here, it's really just like a wind tunnel when I'm riding. I'm really impressed with the mic and how it performs with all the wind flowing through here. It actually sounded really good. So I gotta say, this is probably the best mic you can get like on Amazon for $20 to $30, considering that it comes with all the adapters and all the cords you need, which is, when I had my first mic, I had to order those separately for like $5 each. So considering it includes everything and the quality is really good, it has like a windscreen and everything for it, I gotta say that this is probably the way to go if you're starting out, or if you just want a nice quality mic for a GoPro to put in your helmet or just to use for whatever reason. So yeah, Purple Panda mic. I'm gonna link it in the description if you wanna check it out and cop one for yourself, you dig. I'm about to go film a Wheelie Bad Series Part 4. So yeah, thanks for watching this sort of review. It's kind of a review, not really, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Two Stroke J, dropping videos every Monday, I think. I might switch that up if I drop more than one a week, but right now it's looking like every Monday. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and let's get it.